Hello and welcome back to English Hub. In today's video, we are here with a detailed explanation of our motherland by Swami Vivekananda. And this video includes a powerful description of our motherland as envisioned by him, by Swami Vivekananda. This video also has a comprehensive biography of Swami Vivekananda and all other necessary elements that one should learn from the chapter. So let us begin by knowing about Swami Vivekananda. The first name of Swami Vivekananda at the time of his birth was Narendranath Datta, and he was born in the year 1863 on 12th January in Kolkata, and he died in the year 1902 on 4th July in West Bengal. He was disciple of Ramakrishnan Paramasma. His philosophy was Vedanta and Yoga. Some of the famous work were introducing Indian philosophy to West. His one of the notable speech was Sisters and Brothers of America at Chicago in the year 1893. He founded Ramakrishnan Mission in the year 1897, Ramakrishnan Mutt. After becoming monk, he was titled as Swami Vivekananda. This was his pen name. Now let us see the description of our motherland, India. Swami Vivekananda had a deep love and reverence for India. His writings and speeches portrayed India not just as a nation but as a divine mother. Here is a breakdown of how he described our motherland, India. India as a holy land. Swami Vivekananda describes India as Punya Bhumi, a sacred land where the greatest spiritual discoveries have occurred. He believed that India was the birthplace of religions, philosophy, and divine seekers. Many religions have originated in India. Many philosophies and many divine seekers have came to India and are born in India. India is a land that gave birth to Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Shankara, and other many countless rishis. Land of spiritual heritage. Swami Vivekananda emphasized India's strength in spirituality rather than material wealth. While the West focused on science and power, India focused on self-realization, soul, and truth. According to him, India will be raised not with the power of the flesh but with the power of the spirit. So Swami Vivekananda believed that India will not be rising because of the power of flesh, because of the power of science, but it will be raising because of the power of spirit, because of the power of spirituality, national pride and awakening. Swami Vivekananda urged the youth to awaken and take pride in their motherland, be proud of being an Indian. He believed education, strength, and service would awaken India's soul. He said, "Feel proud that you are Indian, and let every Indian feel this pride." He said that every Indian should be proud of being Indian, and all the others should see this pride of being an Indian. Mother India as the Divine Mother. He reverted India as Bharat Mata, the Divine Mother with the rivers like Ganga, Yamuna as her veins and mountains like Himalayas as her crown. He prayed to her to rise again to her glory, the land where humanity has attained its highest towards gentleness, towards generosity, towards purity, and towards calmness, and that is in. He encouraged selfless service to the motherland through education, social upliftment, and spiritual strength. His message to the youth was arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. The themes in our motherland are nationalism, India as a sacred land, source of pride, spiritual legacy, rich saints. The country is rich in saints, sages, and spiritual wisdom. Cultural unity. Despite of diversity, India is a spiritual united. Inspiration to youth emphasizes on youth awakening and serves the nation. Divine identity as India as mother, not just land but life force. Motherland is often found in prose essays or compiled speeches, but his words are lyrical and poetic in spirit. Reverted across India for his intellectual and patriotism, and his birthday, 12th January, is celebrated as National Youth Day. He also laid the foundation of modern Indian nationalism rooted in spirituality. Swami Vivekananda didn't just see India as a piece of land, he saw her as the living mother, full of divine power. He inspired millions to serve, educate, and uplift her. His message still echoes: arise, awake, and not, stop not. If you are proud of our motherland, share this video and subscribe to English Hub for more patriotic inspiration. Do leave a comment, like this video, and subscribe to English Hub for more such lessons made easy.